Hey Bristol Bears, Mrs. E here, and today we are going to do a couple of things. We're going to meet a new friend, we're going to read a book, and we're going to choose a phrase from that book for us to use a little bit later. Now first, we have a new friend to meet. Do you have any guesses as to what kind of animal our new friend is? This is Bernard. And Bernard is you're right, he's a dog. And Bernard is a basset hound. Now, basset hounds are very helpful to us because they have very long ears. So Bernard is going to help us today because we're going to be listening to a story. And listening to a story is very easy if you have really big ears. But we're going to try to. Now, today, you are going to, after you listen to the story, you are going to choose one of the phrases or affirmations that is from the book, and you're going to choose one that you're going to remember because we're going to use it later. So, as we're listening to the book, think about, are there any of these that I like, that I think I could use? What do you think you could do? Oh, Bernard says that he likes the affirmation, I can share my gifts with the world, which you're going to see in our book, because he likes to share his big ears with us. I'm excited to see what you choose. Let's go! Are you ready, Bernard?